Hello and welcome. For this patch, I used an image and got this result. I turn top to SOP so I have that image in 3D space and I can add any SOP after that. So, let's start creating this. Add movie file in top and bring in an image. Add trace SOP. So I have it as a shape. But in this case, I want to get an open arch so that I have control on the data of this shape position. Add SOP to chop and then, again chop to SOP. Add geometry, light, and camera and render. I want a feedback loop here. Add feedback, level, and add it to the original render. Then drop add operator on feedback target top. To create some movement, I added SOP noise. Decrease opacity. The feedback effect is so simple. To make it more interesting, I want to displace it with a noise. Add noise top and adjust it however you want. This will shape the movement of the feedback. I connect the render to source input so I have the same setting for the noise. Then I go to Output tab and set RGB to noise. I recommend making the noise kind of low contrast so you will have smoother movement for the feedback. Animate the noise with absolute time expression. It would better be slow. I don't want something harsh, so increase exponent and offset. Now, add displace operator and connect noise and the top to it. If it shows strange result, change the inputs. Decrease displace weight and adjust 0 point. Or instead of 0 point you can transform the SOP and have it on the center. I adjusted 0 point to center. I want to make the movement of feedback more visible near the shape. Add slope and increase the strength. I will use a blur to make it shady and bigger than the main shape. Composite the noise and the slope, and change the operator to average. Look at the edges. This is the difference between having blurred slope and not having one. Adjust the noise to get the result and go to next step. Now, add displacement and the original render and set it as feedback top target so the whole process is placed in the feedback loop. Beautiful. I had to adjust displace parameters. OK, for the effects I used, change the SOP noise like this. Increase the period, roughness, and exponent. Add lookup and ramp, and after that add a bloom. And decrease black level. I made some changes to the top noise. I think I need a level to adjust the image. Change parameters and have fun. See you.